Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Washer Water Inlet Valve. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve controls the hot water going into the washer. The main reason to be changing it out is if the solenoid's gone bad, you're not getting any hot water, or the body's damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the machine. Now that we're on back, we can put a towel down, catch any water that may come out. In order to change the water inlet valve, we have to take the hose off. We're going to use our pliers to loosen it up. Once you have it loose, you can just unscrew it by hand. Once you have the fill hose disconnected, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws that hold the back panel on. First, we're going to remove this little panel because it overlaps the upper console panel. Once you have the screw out, you can just swing it over to the side and pull it off and set it aside. And then we can take out all the screws that hold down the console panel. Now that we have all the screws out, we can take the panel and slide it down the hose and set it down. Now that we have access to the water inlet valve, we're going to use a 1/4-inch wrench to take the screws out. Once you have both screws out, we can reach in and lift the water inlet valve out of the two fittings right here. Once you have the water inlet valve free, you can turn it around. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop the wiring harness off. Once you have the wiring harness disconnected, you can pull the water inlet valve off the washer. Here's the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water inlet valve in, we're just going to grab the wiring harness and connect it to the valve. Just going to press it on the same way it was with the red wire on the left. I'm going to push it on all the way so it gets a good connection. We can lift the valve up into place. And you want to make sure that the two rubber seals are lined up when you push them down. Once you have it pushed down in place, we can use the 1/4-inch wrench to put the screws in. Once you have both screws in and tightened down, we can lift the console panel back up and put it in place. All you have to do is lift it up the hose and slide it over the fittings. Once you have the panel in place, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in. To put the smaller panel on, we're just going to line up the tabs and swing the panel over so we can put the screw in. Now that we have the smaller panel on, we can reconnect the fill hose. All you have to do is line it up and get it started by hand. You don't want to cross thread it and damage the threads. Once you have it snug, we can grab our pliers, tighten it down so you get a good seal. Now that you have the hose tightened down, we can plug the washer back in, turn the water on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.